Check futures, please. I'm looking especially at the NASDAQ, which is on a tear. It's up 310 points. This pre-market trading. Kenny Polcari joins me. A good day for you to be on the show, Kenny. Intel's on a tear. They're predicting a revenue surge from their data centers. It's moving. Is it moving the whole tech sector up?
I think today it is. I think it's largely responsible for the excitement that we're seeing because in their report, they just talked about the surging AI demand and the need for processes, which goes back to that story about the role that AI is going to play, right? Contrasting to some of the other stuff we saw early in the week where there was some concern over, over CapEx and all that. Intel clearly has flipped that story. So I think that is going to be behind tech today. I think we're going to see anything tech really move today. I think the rest of the market's going to kind of just drift and find its way as we digest the headlines.
I'm kicking myself for not getting into Intel 10 days ago, but I presume the government is doing very well out of Intel at the moment. They got a stake.
It's worth about $38 billion, I think now. As of I think it was as of last night. Maybe that's as of this morning. But look, they invested 11, right? 2.2 billion was in the CHIPS Act, and 8.9 billion is what the government invested. That's worth at least 38 billion now. So the government and I guess taxpayers, you and I suppose, are supposed to be benefiting.
I'd prefer to have been an investor in Intel, but that's another story.
Yeah.
Meta and Microsoft. Now, they're both trimming their workforce. Yeah. Meta cuts 8,000 jobs. Microsoft offering voluntary retirements to 7% of its American workforce. These are all AI job losses. Investors seem to approve.
Well, I got to tell you, I think, yes, some of it is AI job losses. I also think that some of it just may be trimming the fat, right? They hired like crazy in 21, 22, and 23. They paid ridiculous numbers to attract talent. And I think some of this is AI, but I think some of it is also trimming the fat. Now, that being said, certainly AI is going to be what everyone focuses on because that's the narrative, that AI is going to destroy all these jobs. And, oh, my God, the end of the world is coming. So, no, I think it is. While I think it is because of AI, I don't think that AI is going to destroy the jobs. I think it's going to transition and there'll be new jobs created. So, yes, this maybe is a negative headline, but investors like it because they're cutting the fat.
Okay, I just want to point out that the quotes on the left-hand side of the screen about Microsoft are yesterday's close, not today's pre-market activity. Kenny, you have a great weekend. See you next week.